We will show you how to correctly create a ceiling over a contained aisle. We will need 3mm hex key. Place a bracket into the front section of the rack. Then fasten a top side panel onto it. Repeat the process for the remaining racks in the aisle. Interconnect the side panels within the aisle. Mount a half-cross bracket where the door or blank panel is located. Mount a full transverse bracket on both sides between the racks and release the anchors. Prepare the polycarbonate pane by completely removing the film on one side and removing the film only at the edges on the other side. Fit the polycarbonate pane into the ceiling section. Repeat the process for the other panels of the ceiling section. Remove the remaining film and secure the polycarbonate panes using the rotating sprung anchors.